Nice little test there. And it looks like the boost controller's working great. And it looked like the scramble button worked too. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, hey, hey. Just out for, you know, staying home, coronavirus, COVID-19. You gotta get out of the house every now and then, get a little stir crazy. So you take out the TTSaleen, run some of that old gas out of it. Only got it set to about, I think that was about 17, 18 pounds of boost. So it's turned down, but it's still a monster. The car still gets down. To be as old as it is, this combination, it still runs really good. Can't wait to get back to the track and try everything out with the new bump in button here for the leash control. And also get down the track with that new boost controller, how I can ramp it in. Maybe that'll help from old boost controller. And then finally, once I get all that dialed in and the car running consistently, now I can reach here and hit this scramble button and see if we can go another 1/10 or 2 faster. So we'll see how it goes this year. The car should be pretty stout. The only weak link now is still the engine that's never been out in over 12 years. So just riding around a little bit today on my lunch break. Got to get out of the house some. I'm supposed to stay at home, so at least I'm keeping my social distancing. Haven't taken the black car out and about in a little bit, so this is the inside of the TTSaleen. In case you haven't seen it, full leather seats, front and rear, and they're heavy. Got a new roll bar put in here by Jason Brazel last year, Brazel Performance Fabrication. He also did some suspension work where this thing hooks really good on the street, as you can just see. Real happy with the car. The car's been phenomenal all the years I've had it. But it's also a nice stress relief. Get out and play around a little bit in the street. Have a little G-force, sit you back in the seat. You know, nothing like it. Your mom's Prius ain't gonna do this, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, some of the COVID-19 coronavirus chronicles I'm putting together while I'm at home, in between working and trying to get a break and doing other stuff. There you go. Enjoy.